Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send Slack notifications from Airtable. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Airtable, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sending Slack notifications from Airtable is a straightforward process that you can do in multiple methods. And this is very helpful if you are managing workflows, collaborating with teams, or handling projects that require real-time updates. Now, once you are logged into your Slack, now I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard here on Slack. And there's going to be an option that says More, Automations, Create, and Find Workflows and Apps. Once you found it, you might want to check the apps for now, which is going to be for Airtable. You see that? Now you can organize anything with the world's friendliest database, and all I have to do is click on Add. Because Slack has a built-in automation tool that can set up to send the Airtable notifications when certain actions or triggers happen within the base. All I have to do is click the button here to add to Slack. And it would require you to authorize these apps. All right. As you can see, you can add Slack notification rules. If you do that, all I have to do is configure the rules. All right. Now, it says here we need to go to the Airtable base so we can receive the notifications from. Alright, so we already have that. Now I'm going to switch to the Airtable. Now here, all I have to do is click on the Get Started button. Just wait for it to load. And as you can see, all we have to do is click this option right here. Now on the Airtable, I want you to go to the integrations. Alright, and go to the third-party integrations and connect plus new account. I want you to search for Slack. Here's going to be for Slack. All I have to do is authorize and authenticate these apps and allow that. Now we have successfully created the integration between Slack and Airtable. All right. Now another platform that we are going to use apart from the Slack and Airtable integrations native automation is using Zapier. And from here, all I have to do is log into your account if you haven't already and try this template wherein we can send Slack notifications for new or updated records in Airtable. I'm going to click on this button here and we would be forwarded to the Zap. We can rename this Zap. And if you are a big fan of the Deep Laughs YouTube channel, you know that we have so many Zapier automation tutorials that you might want to check out. And if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications from our latest content. We upload daily videos for you guys to help you solve your problems quickly. Now, going back to Zapier. Now, here on Airtable, all I have to do is choose a trigger event. For example, it triggers when a record is created or updated. Okay? I'm going to use this same account. I'm going to click on continue. And from here, we're going to choose a value. For example, this is going to be sending Slack notifications from Airtable, and the table is going to be class 1. All right. Now, the stamp fields should be in this value. Now after that, all I'm going to do is limit the value to this. And it's going to be a true. Okay. Now from here, all I have to do is click on continue. And now you can test the trigger. The idea is when using Zapier to send Slack notifications, now you can customize and include dynamic fields from Airtable. All right. And now you have to test this app to ensure it's working, and after that you can sit back and relax because Zapier will do all of the work for you. Now, another platform that we could explore is using Make.com, wherein we can connect Slack and Airtable integrations, streamlining your workflow and boosting productivity by automating tasks with the Make platform, right? So from the trigger, all you have to do is choose the trigger from Slack. Okay, so it triggers when a new file is added. And from here, you can select an action. All right, for example, it creates new record in Airtable, or maybe creates new or updated existing record. All I have to do is log into your account. If you haven't already, you might want to click the get started for free. It's very easy to create an account here in Make.com. I'm going to log in using my account. Now, we're going to build a new scenario. This is going to be the module. And all we have to do is click on run once. Now, the module is not yet set up. Now, for the, we need to create a connection. And this is going to be deep lefts. Click on save. If you wanted to add show the advanced setting, you can do so by selecting the client name. All right, and then if you don't want that, just slide it off and click on save. Now the next option is going to Airtable, wherein we are going to create a similar connection type, and that's going to be Airtable token or key. And from here, all I have to do is just proceed with the on-screen instructions and you're all set. Now, the idea is that the workflow automation is giving you to reduce the manual follow-up and improve workflow efficiency by automating communication via Slack. That means, again, when a specific trigger occurs in Airtable, like for example, a submission or record update, a Slack notification is automatically sent, cutting down on manual processes. You can notify now your teams if you're working with multiple freelancers when something goes wrong, such as incorrect data entry or system errors. That way, you are keeping track of the key performance indicators or KPIs by sending regular updates or alerts when certain metrics are reached. For example, if a sales figures recorded in Airtable exceeds a certain threshold, an automated Slack message can notify the team about achieving targets. These notifications can enhance productivity, improve communication, and ensure critical tasks and updates are not missed, all while keeping the team focused on key priorities. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.